What is up, everyone? So today I'm gonna show you how to restore your headlights for like let's see, like $15-20. So all you're gonna need is this right here, cause I'm gonna be using the 1000, 1500, then 2000. I'm not going to be using that. And then you're gonna need some rubbing compound and some polishing compound. And then what you need to use, I'm using Purple Power. You guys can use water or soap, doesn't matter. And then you guys are gonna need a high-speed drill for the pad. I would recommend you guys using two separate pads, one for the compound and one for the polishing. But I'm using them both on the same one because I don't have another one and I don't want to go to the store right now. So yeah, as you can see right here, this headlight right here is done. I already polished it. I already polished it. There's just some rock chips right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Like all that's rock chips, so I couldn't get that out. They weren't too bad, so that's why I'm starting with 1000. But like right here, I haven't done this one. They like both look the same, but this one, I haven't done this. Just a little haze, but not too much. But either way, I'm gonna still show you guys how to do it, even if yours are like super fogged up. And one more thing, I did get some new HIDs because one of my bulb blew out actually, and they were like 200 each for OEM ones, and I wasn't gonna do that, so I just bought some $30 ones on Amazon. They're oh, what the fuck is it? Okay, they're 10K deep blue. They're the D1S, so yeah. That's the main reason why I wanted to restore these, even though they're not too much haze, but I want to see how bright these are with the headlights restoration. So right now I'm about to show you how to start sanding. Basically, if you guys bought these, then what you want to do is fold it in half. I'm starting with 1000 because these are not that bad. So yeah, if yours is like terribly if yours is really yellow, then start with 800 and then make your way to 2000. That's what I would do. Okay, so now that you guys got your little bit right here, what you want to do is start spraying your whatever you guys are using as your just to keep it wet. Whatever you guys are using to keep it wet. I'm using Purple Power. You guys can use water or soap. It'll work the same way, but I would use these. I would use this right here. Okay, what you basically want to do is start spraying the whole headlight. This thing sucks. Let me get another one real quick. Yeah, start spraying the headlight like this, like so. Then with your 1000, you want to start from right here. It's hard to do it with one hand, but I'm gonna still go over it again. But yeah, you want to go like this, how I'm doing, and then for the corners, you want to do this right here, like this. And then, like this. Then you want to get a towel and wipe it down thoroughly. Like this. And then once it starts drying, you'll see the spots where you missed. So in this case, it doesn't look like I missed any spots. So but basically, what you want to do is start with. Well, I started with 1000 because my headlight is not that bad, and I sanded the whole headlight. And then once you're done using 1000, move on to 1500 and then 2000. So I'm gonna do that right now, and I'll show you guys how it look like afterwards. Okay, so I just finished sanding it with 2000, so I'm basically done. As you can see, that's just wet right there, so it's still drying. So basically the next step would be is to put some rubbing compound, and it should start to clear up. So yeah. Okay, so I just finished compounding this, so you can see it's starting to look more clear now. So you want to get just a towel and wipe it down, wipe off the excess compound. Now when you're using a drill or a buffer, whichever you guys choose to use, don't stay in one spot for too long, or else you're going to burn the plastic and it's going to look so terrible. It's going to come out like bad. So yeah, don't stay in one spot, keep on moving. As you can see. Now my lens, I was trying to take my headlight apart, but I just couldn't, so I'm going to just leave it like that. Because I was going to clean out my lens, but apparently I can't do that no more because I don't know how to take this apart. So yeah. So I'm going to be applying the polish real quick, and I'll show you guys what the final product should look like. So after everything I finished already, so this is what the finished project should look like. As you can see, these are rock chips, so yeah, I think they came out good. I mean, I don't think you guys will be able to see it like in person, but in person it looks much better than on camera. Let me turn on the lights so I can show you guys. So yeah, this is what they look like with the lights turned on. As you can see, my lens are dirty, and these are all rock chips right here, so I couldn't take that out. So yeah, it's not that hard, guys. You guys just have to have the right you just need a drill and some sanding paper and something to keep it wet, and that's about it, and some compound and polish. Doesn't have to be expensive. The most you probably waste is $15 probably. That's it. So yeah, just make sure to like and subscribe. Catch you guys next time.